Got this crazy motherfucker. The oil tank's fucking full of fucking fuel oil. And we gonna hook that bitch onto him like a fucking horse and shit. And he's gonna pull this motherfucker.
A fucking mule.
Like a mule.
Ready?
Yeah. Good. Ah, damn. You alright?
Nah, he's a long way from alright.
Yeah, he's been right for a long time. God damn. That's how you fucking pull a fucking oil tank with fucking, how many gallons of fuel you think is in that bitch?
Shit, she's probably close to half full.
They're half full of fucking oil and shit. God damn. Alright. Here we go. We got our oil tank half full of fuel sitting on the side of the road. We put free. People like shit free, man. Let's see how long it sits here. Free. Let's see how long it sits here now before somebody comes and grabs it and shit. Well, finally, at the fucking 5 coats of primer and paint and fucking chiseling every fucking hinge out, this motherfucker's finished. The damn pantry is done. Inside and out. Brushed nickel. Handles. The old hinge holes where the hinges used to come across the front of the doors are not there anymore. And they're reset hinges that go on the back. A lot of storage. A lot of storage. That's where that's at. Get a little panoramic fucking view like that. So the pantry is now done. And we're not gonna fuck with it. Supposed to be getting a 30-yard dumpster tomorrow. And hopefully my cabinets will be here. My upper and lower kitchen cabinets. I can go ahead and start putting that shit in. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting some baseboard trim. And start putting some baseboard down in here. That recommendation on the grout in here says 24 hours light foot traffic, 7 days full cure. So I just have to use good common sense and step on the tile and don't fuck with the grout. We'll go ahead on that measure. I cut some pieces of baseboard. That's where we're at right now. Oh, and all this shit where the air conditioning people came in and fucked up and put the shit back like it's supposed to be. All those vents are being taken down now. Put a new filter in today. And all these vents in the ceiling, I put them down, power wash them, wire brushed them, dried the shit off, and put some spray paint on them. So that's where we're at with that shit. All right, continue on. At the end of day 33 of our house renovation, all the tile is put down in here, everything's grouted. I put the fucking baseboard down, but it's not nailed. I gotta come back in and nail it and caulk it. And then I'm gonna put that piece of quarter round, PVC quarter round, down on the floor by the base of the toilet, bathtub. And then I gotta put the trim back up around the doors and put the doors back on the closet and put the access panel back on the access thing for the tub. And then we can go ahead and set our toilet, clean all this up. And at that point, we can call the bathroom done. Once we put the mini blind up and hang a mirror right there. My vision in the mirror is a brushed silver mirror, silver frame mirror brush to go up right over top of that sink right there. All of these fucking vents are put back up in the fucking ceilings. The fucking baseboards are down and fucking shit. Fucking Irsh is still here. You got a comment on video yesterday.
I did.
Yeah, he said somebody, they said that you should leave you here at night to guard the tools and shit. Like, and The pantry is fucking done and finished. My cabinet package and my kitchen package for my countertops, lower and upper and lower, are be in tomorrow. So go ahead and get them done. I think I'm leaning a little bit towards going on and putting a gray ceramic floor tile in here, floor in here. Out here, Irsh power washed the fucking garage. So all that green shit on the side of the garage is gone. And this is all this shit he pulled all up and everything. He weeded that bed, cleaned all that shit up. Pretty much got all this shit off of that building. Just raking all that old hay and stuff up off the ground over there. We got rid of that oil tank today. Somebody came by and said he was building in my hobo hut. And he was going to have a fucking oil heat. So he grabbed that bitch and he was happy. So the oil tank is gone. So putting it out on the street with a free sign at work. All this shit right here is all cleaned up, fucking ready for a trash dumpster tomorrow. Irsh came down between the buildings right here and he cut all these fucking little trees down and shit that was growing up between the garage and the fence. We decided to go ahead on and probably keep the apple tree, even though it's not looking too hot. I don't see no apples on it, so even the tree is fucked up. Anyway, it's starting to look more like a yard of a cleaned up house. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit the like button. Hit the little notification button so you know when I upload another video. And if you got any questions, leave a question in the comment section or email me at peninsulaimp@gmail.com, which is also in the channel description. And stay tuned tomorrow for episode 34, where I will be getting a trash dumpster, a 30-yard container, so I can clean up all that shit. And we can bust up all this fucking concrete and everything for the driveway and get that shit out of here. I think we decided to use small rocks or crush and run up to that point right where the truck's sitting at. And because from there on down, the concrete's fine. And if we put the gravel, then that'll save us from having to fucking take this big son of a bitch right here down. The basketball gold is clean and shining. And we're going to be fucking getting a trash can so we'll be able to get rid of all this shit. All this is junk and shit we've torn out of the house. Look at all that shit. This is all. We've already filled up one 30-yard container. And this is the second one right here that we're going to be filling up. All this shit. And all this shit that's back there in the yard. And all the other shit that he pulled up. So stay tuned for tomorrow with day 34 of our house renovation and have a good day.